Now that we've taken a closer look at ticketing in the previous videos, let's move on to service request management. We'll start again with the quick access point on the Launchpad to create a new service request. In this case, an employee is changing offices and is therefore booking the relocation service. As usual, we select Demo User 1 as the user. And again, the mandatory fields are marked in red. Next, we enter the old and the new location. And insert the desired date for the move. As with the ticket, you also have the option to add more details in the description. Finalize your service request by clicking Save in the upper right corner. Your service request is now created. To view your request, go to Service Operations, All Open Service Requests. You can learn more about this in the next video. And as always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.